we would also be asking for a return of the cash bail that had been issued by him and deposited to the court, since that as things stand, there are no charges before the court, and the court has declared that he is indeed a free man to be set. That is all.
Apart from the mobile phone, anything else?
No, Your Honor. Just a mobile phone, maybe not the issue of the card.
Somehow you require the exploitation. So that's okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, just give directions. Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Asking me to issue protective orders.
Yes, because we are very much apprehensive of the last statement of the prosecution, that it is on the record, and they will find charges appropriate for this. So your release may in all ways be futile. You may very well be arrested.
So let's speculate.
Your Honor, if you'll allow me to add something. My name is Mbira. You can put me on the quarter. It is important to note, Your Honor, that the now dismissed formerly accused person was brought all the way from Embu to Nairobi, handcuffed at the back in the boot of a Subaru. Surely that is not in keeping with his right to dignity. And if that's not enough, just even the manner he was arrested was very dramatic. And we believe it is meant to send a chill to the public that was there when he was being arrested. We do not believe that it is necessary, considering even that the charges before you have just been dismissed. Why the former accused person had to be brought all the way to Embu, surely to face a charge of this nature. Our application, Your Honor, is simply that if Mr. Thuku is needed by the investigative bodies, there's a battery of lawyers to represent him. He's willing to comply with all the court directions that are set in place as far as availing himself for investigations is concerned. And therefore, just to protect his right to dignity and even to liberty, let him be summoned, not arrested and transported in the manner that happened, like we saw. It is unfortunate and shameful. And therefore, that is the crux of our application, Your Honor. Thank you.
And just, Your Honor, to address that, it cannot be said enough. It is not, in response to your question, it is not merely speculative. It is on the record that the prosecution will find other appropriate charges for this court. It is on the court record. So this is not merely speculative. The prosecution has actually indicated that they are going to find appropriate charges, perhaps shop for them, even if they would. And it is on that basis that we are asking.
Just apply for some.
We cannot, in these times and days, Your Honor, we cannot take that as a bluff in that respect. Given the number of times, and it has happened, an accused person steps out, they are rearrested, and I would urge the court there is no harm in acting on an abundance of caution to protect the rights of the accused person.
And Mr. Turner,
Yes.
these are issues that we are also looking at.
Yes.
Because the prosecutors release is arrested in related manner. Those are things we be taken into account. And we believe in petition act in good faith. Also considering that as advice under the Constitution. There is no harm in probably someone revealing a saying.
Yes.
Putting statements, make the evidence present as something in court. Instead of other grounds.
So could we at least ask the court directly that if there are any charges, he is summoned in that respect, in the abundance of caution?
Mr. Taylor, allow me to be frank as in this matter. Allow me. I have to put an order for secretariat proceedings.
Most obliged. We defer to that. We hope that we will not be subject to rearrest. We can only hope, Your Honor. Thank you very much for your